According to the Africa CDC, preparation for coronavirus in the continent started in January. Egypt was one of the countries that was trained to test for coronavirus earlier this month.
We have actually been very fortunate that we had prepared, and I remember that the tests that Egypt is using now are tests that we had trained them in Senegal and given them an initial testing number of tests to take home. The World Health Organization also supplied them with some of the tests. So I think it's beginning to conform with our preparedness plan that we had put in place.
The Africa CDC says the case in Egypt should not worry the rest of the continent.
By Wednesday, we'll send them additional test kits. About 1,000 test kits will be flown into Egypt to make sure that the contacts that this particular case had before will be all tested.
The Africa CDC is also training airport surveillance and monitoring teams across the continent. So far, 16 airport authorities and some airline companies have been trained by the Africa CDC on how to detect coronavirus cases at points of entry. 16 more will be trained in the course of the week. The CDC has asked all public health institutions to step up surveillance within their countries too. Coletta, Wanjohi, SABC News, Addis Ababa, Ethiopia.